Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another 3-part series using one eyeshadow palette, and today I'm going to be using the Klara Cosmetics 24 eyeshadow palette, and it's called Malibu. This just dropped, and seriously, the colors in this are absolutely stunning. Klara Cosmetics was nice enough to send me this palette to test out for you guys, and I also have a discount code down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this palette, and let's get into the video. So to start off this look, I'm going to be taking this really beautiful orange shade right here, and I'm going to be taking this on a really fluffy brush, and I'm going to be running this through my crease and using it as a transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with this brown. This is actually the darkest brown in the whole palette, and I'm going to be popping this on a slightly more defined brush and running this through my crease to start defining my crease. Then, because I want a very seamless look, I am just going to go back in and blend that all together so there's no harsh lines. Next, on a very tiny brush, I'm going to be taking the black, and I'm going to be drawing or carving out where my crease is using that black. If you mess this up and it's not so straight, it doesn't really matter, because as you can tell, we're going to go back in and just blend that out until it is as blended as you want it to be. Then after I did this, my camera cut out, so I didn't actually get footage of it, but I did go ahead and cut the crease. Then I took this lovely white shade, just a normal white, completely matte, and packed that all over the lid. Don't worry about going too high because the white is quite powdery anyway, so you can, well, as you see later, I'm just going to go back in and draw over where the black is so it's still defined. So don't worry if you do brush over it a bit, because it'll be fine. Then I'm going to go back in with this beautiful orange that we used first, and I'm going to be popping this on the very outer point where we cut the crease out. Then I'm going to be taking this kind of like salmon-y, peachy color right here, and I'm going to be taking that just between the two colors so it kind of makes a gradient, so it's not just two different colors. Then I'm just going to go back in without any extra product and just redefine that black. Then to kind of match it, I am going to be taking my black liquid eyeliner pen from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be lining my upper lash line. No wing, just a nice clean line. Then, because I am going to be using some falsies, I am just going to be popping some mascara on my lashes. Then I am taking that really lovely orange shade and running that under my lower lash line and putting some mascara on there as well. I'm so sorry the end of this is completely out of focus. My camera is so annoying sometimes, but that's okay. You get the gist of it, I hope. But I really love how this worked, and I just think it is a little bit more neutral but also just a bit fun at the same time, and I love looks like this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!